Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different than what I told you in the last video. I'll tell you a little bit more about it throughout this video and when I close it out. But we're going to start this video off by, I have to go to Harbor Freight to pick up some things to help me get started on the next project that I'm going to be working on. So let's go ahead and jump in the truck and get ready to go to Harbor Freight. My GTO is blocking my truck in, so I'm gonna have to move that back in a corner just so I can get to my truck, and then we'll be off to Harbor Freight. Too many keys. Need some gas in here. Alright, I'm going to be driving this car in the upcoming video because I got some things I need to figure out with it. Lock the door back. And let's get in my truck. I haven't driven my truck in a while, so. Alright, so the truck is extremely dirty. Keep in mind, the paint on it actually looks pretty good if it wasn't so dirty. Just giving you a little walk around of it. It's been sitting for a while. So, interior is good. Dash is not cracked. Everything looks good. Of course, the seat's gonna get redone, but you can see everything in here is in good shape. Truck itself is in good shape. Close the door back. As you see, the engine has been taken apart, so just got to yank this out. So the shop is pretty packed right now. As you see, the plan is we're going to get this Honda out of here. I think it was just sold yesterday, so it should be leaving pretty soon. And we're gonna put the truck in this spot, and I'm gonna move some of these stoves and stuff out of the way in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna back the El Camino up here. This Altima here is not ready to be moved yet, so I'm just gonna work around that, which there's plenty of room over here for me to put the El Camino. So I'm gonna put the El Camino over here, the truck right there, and pull the engine out of the El Camino and put it in the truck. So that's the plans, at least. Okay, so what I have to do now is remove this cross member off the transmission so we can lower the transmission and pull the old engine and transmission out all together. And the goal of this is to try to get this thing replaced without having to modify a whole lot. That's why the engine that's in here is a 305, and we're going with the 350 out of the El Camino. So that's the goal. And I'll explain a little bit more about this once we close out this video. This video wasn't really meant for me to actually start working on it. So I just wanted to introduce you to what I'm going to be doing, show you the truck, and that's pretty much it before I officially kick off the project. But let me just show you, that's the transmission. Let's look around the back and stuff. We already taken the drive shaft out and everything. So as you see, the truck is in good shape. So look like the transmission cross member is already loose. So all the bolts are off of it. At least it looks like it. Yep. So we may be good. Okay, I'm not sure how much I'm gonna record in this video. Just like I said before, I'm prepping this engine, this old engine, to come out. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna record us actually pulling it out or if it's gonna be in this video or not. But what I did just now is I just put a little strap on here to assist with getting this engine pulled out. So that's what I'm gonna be doing next. Just like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna record it or not. I don't have a lot of help right now, so I may not be able to record it. But once we get this engine out, we're going to actually take the truck to get it pressure washed, to get all this stuff pressure washed so we can get it repainted. So before we actually put the other engine in. So that's the plans. Engine is out, and that's all for today. Okay, I'm back. Just wanted to tell you a little bit about what's going on. I decided, contrary to the last video, I decided to go ahead and pull the engine out of the El Camino and put that engine in that C10 that I just showed you. So that's going to be the project, and then I'm going to take the LS engine out of the white Silverado, and that's going to go into the El Camino. So that's what I'm going to do. Just like I said before, trying to get started. You see the C10 is pretty clean truck. It was dirty, but you know, once we power wash it and everything, you'll see that the truck is actually in really good condition. So that project's going to start really soon. Right now, you see we pulled the engine out of it, and I'm going to get the engine bay power washed and painted and everything before I even go to pull the engine out of the El Camino. So thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button if you haven't. Click on that notification bell, and I can't wait to share this project with you. See you in the next video.